Rolling.
Tag.
Taste season 3, Jason Peru, Ian promo, take 6 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, this is Ian Allen. This is what you call whetting appetite. Be viewing on the 16th of July for taste. Wow, it's not a ledge. It's a fuck.
Cut.
Cut.
Lunch.
2, 1.
Hi, this is Ian Allen. Be viewing on CNC 3. This is what you call taste. Let's go back again.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Whetting appetite.
Too high. Too high. Right.
July 16th.
Taste season 3, Jason Peru, Ian promo, take 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, this is Ian Allen. This is what you call whetting appetite. Be viewing on 16th of July for taste on CNC 3. It's not a ledge.
Cut.
You go there?
I want to try to actually choose the ingredients for the first one. Okay, and the tray here. And I'll put everything you need on this tray. Watch carefully because you have 3 courses to do out of all of these ingredients. Okay, no problem. So, I'm going to start off with some squash.
Stay on the tray, Leslie. Yeah, right.
Some onions, some seasoning. What else? Definitely the sage. Now look carefully.
Think about it.
3 things to take out of the quinoa. Okay. And some walnuts. Anything else?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Probably some red stuff. That's about it. That's it? That's it. You sure? That's it. Positive. Positive. Final answer. Alright? Final answer. Alright? I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to do. So we'll wait. Short break. I'm going to start in on the first recipe.
Yeah, we do.
Stars. Cut.
Alright.